I'm going to walk through the Dextruss Customer Central web application here. This application is meant to give an overview of all of your different accounts and their account health scores and view, plans to remediate these accounts. So at the first dashboard level here, we're seeing an account health map, which is showing us a view of which accounts are you sort of most critical, right? And it's measuring the likelihood to churn on the left, revenue impact across the top. So anything in this top left corner is going to be in that high critical area. Additionally, this dashboard will show the highest priority accounts here, which all of these signals, these scores are based off of a number of different signals that we'll look at in a second. Additionally, I can go into this Ask CS Advisor and just ask questions of this. Instead of having to click around, I can just say which renewals need attention first, and it's going to pull up the different accounts that are in there, and it noted Cedar Ridge as being one of the more critical accounts to look at. So then for that, I would actually go in here, which it already is listed as a highest priority account. I'll click into that account and view that account health, the score, what's driving that score. And even within each of these things, the support, I can actually look at support, look at the 4 signals that are driving that support score: escalated priority tickets, open ticket volume, etc. I can look at some other key metrics about Cedar Ridge. It's 62 days to renewal. I can look at a number of actions that are recommended, so I can create a prioritized Salesforce task for the CVP or draft a renewal outreach. I can again actually use this AI agent that's embedded into this to ask it to draft an engagement email for Cedar Ridge, right? And here it actually looks at what is sort of driving the context used for this draft, and then it'll put together a re-engagement email that you can use to measure this. Additionally, there's some other overview things within this. I could go to the risk plan here, and it's put together a get well plan. These are AI proposed actions that the human can go in here and accept the whole plan. They could add an action, or they could regenerate these based off of what they know about the account. Additionally, I could go in here and look at the timeline, and this is going to show me all of the different signals that are driving this score, and these are coming from different platforms that are measuring a number of different things. Right? There's a signal from Gong or Gainsight or Zendesk, a billing finance signal about a disputed invoice, some Pendo information as well. And then just the last thing I'm going to show here is this is a system that's designed around the AI recommending actions, but allowing for the human in the loop. So here I can look at this actions needed across all of my accounts. I could click critical, and it'll show me all of the critical actions that the system has come in, and the human can go in here and evaluate these really quickly and click approve and execute or review. You can see these different things like draft a renewal outreach email or create a Salesforce case. And then I can also view the actions taken here, where it'll show me all the different actions that the system has either taken that were automatically executed, or that the human approved, or in some cases rejected as well. So that was a quick overview of the Dextruss Customer Central platform.